How to use the Upload tool in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on the Upload tool in the Design panel. Step 2. Click on Upload Image or Upload Pattern depending on your project. Step 3. You can drag and drop the file you want to upload. Step 4. Or click on Browse, then choose and open the file. Step 5. Next, select the image type and click Continue. Step 6. Now click on the areas you want to remove, then click on Continue. Step 7. You'll be presented with two options: to save as a print then cut image, and to save as a cut image. Step 8. Select your option, give it a name and then click on Save. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.